Well, this is taking longer than expected. Uh, Average maybe less than an hour of chainsaw walks, then at least a couple of hours to pick up and sort out the different piece of wood like firewood, and I'm keeping some of the bigger branch of small trunks as I want to make a mini pole barn, old-fashioned way. And I also have to pile up the branches. They're going to be put in the shredder. So the chainsaw work is easy and fast. The picking up is taking a long time. So far I made a couple of piles of different stuff, like this is one pile of branches that's going to be going in the shredder. Here I got another pile, and here I've got a third pile, and I figure out at least as much branches yet to come from what I have left to cut. Also, I'm having starting to accumulate a good pile of firewood. Of course, it is a very funky firewood, but I don't have the luxury of having a big land with mature trees and I want to cut. Like here I have a nice big mature tree, but I want to keep it. And here I have what I call a pile of funky wood. I'm yet to decide if I'm going to cut them down to make firewood or just going to burn them down. Also, when I remove the stumps from the ground with the backhoe, probably going to put them somewhere to dry and burn them when they are dry. So that's taking a long time. Especially since I'm old, fat and slow, that do not help. And we have been having very warm weather, so I have problem dealing with the heat. I'm okay with the cold, but with the heat, it's another story. I hope the cleaning up of all those bushes there, yeah, will go as fast as this. Ah, that's much better. Yeah. Now that the branches all been picked up, I made a fourth pile over there. Yeah? Now I have a whole bunch of little firewood to pick up. Normally I only have a dozen or so piece of wood to pick up, but here there's a lot of them, so I better go and get the tractor with the bucket. That would be much easier. Okay, here I have about another 20 feet of work to do, but I'm getting tired and I'm not getting any younger, so I'm gonna use some of that good Hogwarts correspondent class I've been taking. So let's see about it. Abracadabra. Wow, this Hogwarts spell is working wonder. Geez, I should have used it earlier. It even put some little red, orange fluo ribbons where there are those old fence sticking out the ground. Well, let's see if the same magic will work on the remaining part of the piece of land I have to get ready. Okay, this is the remaining part I have to clear up from there to there and about 20 feet in the back. Then I will be able to start removing the stumps. So let's see if that Hogwarts spell is gonna be working this time also. So get ready. Jeez, that Hogwarts spell thing seems to be working awfully good. I should have learned about it long ago. Jeez, everything is just in the movement of the wrist. I don't know if that will be any of interest to you to know where is that Hogwarts website. Well, I'll make a deal with you. According to the analytic on YouTube, 99% of the viewers are not subscribers. So let's make a deal. If we can hit the 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, right now we are in October, so that will give us more than 2 months to hit the 1,000 subscribers. So if we do, I'll tell you where is that website where you can get the free spell 101 from Hogwarts, and you too, you'll be able to do some magic. Okay, so thank you, and subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye-bye.